guys, तुमची मराठी मुलगी is back and welcome to my channel. I am back with another beautiful episode of Zara haul. Zara की सेल लगी है guys. Please go and shop as much as you can because they have got good deals on really pretty, beautiful dresses. What are you waiting for? Let's get started. Nice, it's pretty. But do you need large size? Large?
No.
Large?
I need medium.
Medium. No medium. You don't have medium size. I think you can try small. Yeah, now we're talking. This is cool. I love this. This is small. Yeah, perfect. I'll try this. Try to buy smart. I don't buy too much colors basically, but this time I have lot in my mind, like I'm going out on a trip which soon you guys will get to know. So how about this? Like you can style this shirt in a lot of ways. So I think I'll take this one. Let's see. Oh, then there's one more. I found this one for you. Very classy. You have to wear this, like you have to wear.
Okay.
You have to buy this actually. Whenever you come to Zara, it's mandatory to buy basic black tee from Zara because the material is so soft and it's so breathable that you can live in it, like live in it. And I actually live in black shirts a lot. So yeah, this is mandatory. What are you looking for?
Waistcoat.
Waistcoat Bhaktias. Nice. I actually like this one. The spaghettis are really nice here. This one is for $7.50. Damn! I just love such funky shirts. And thankfully Zara has them. And hey, I love this print and the vibrancy over it. Like, it looks so cool on shorts. Like, how about this one? I don't know about the fit though. I am not liking so much. It's nicely though. It like sculpts my body, but I don't know about the fit. Actually thought by looking at it कि ये मुझ पर बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, but this looks very big in size for me and it's not too long also to style it on the shorts. So I think we're not buying this. Nana? No? I don't know, let's see. So I'm shopping for Siddharth for shorts for office wear, something like that. It's very difficult to shop for him because he's very particular in his clothes. He needs his clothes in a certain type, so it's very difficult. So let's see what I can buy for him. हम आए हैं ग्रॉसरी शॉपिंग यहाँ पे पवेलियन मॉल में पुणे में नीचे दोराबजीज है एंड दोराबजीज हैज़ अ गुड वैरायटी ऑफ फूड आइटम्स. एक्चुअली हमें मोमोज ट्राई करने थे घर पे, तो हम दोराबजी में आए राइस शीट्स लेने, मोमोज, डम्पलिंग्स और सुशी का भी सामान मिलता है. I just love how this outfit has been put together. This bag I've bought from Zara. So Zara का sale शुरू हो गया है guys. Please go and pick up your best outfit if possible. This is from Zara and I just love how it fits on my body. The kapda is cotton और The sleeves, I just love puff sleeves. So my husband doesn't approve of this, but I just love how this outfit is fitting on me. I've paired this with transparent heels actually. अगर आप चाहे तो इसे brown flats या फिर pearl flats के साथ भी pair up कर सकते हो. This is my vacation outfit and I love the bag as well. I've paired this with chain necklace to add up a little bit, spice up a bit. क्योंकि ये outfit काफी plain है. The chain necklace actually looks nice on this. I just love how this outfit just fits to my body. This is basically linen और ये भी Zara से है, completely in the sale, and I've accessorized this with this bag. इस ड्रेस का इतना पता नहीं एक्चुअली, ये फिटिंग में इतना खास नहीं बैठ रहा है. I bought this in the size small. I love the color and the print actually. बहुत ही VK vibe है इस ड्रेस में. And I have nice matching Birkins to it and a Michael Kors. But somehow the fit here is not that proper. It's very loose and it's protruding from here. तो मुझे नहीं लगता that I'm gonna keep this one. But yeah, just make sure before buying the dress for you कि आप एक बार पहन के देखो. I did wear this but I wore it on a top. तो मुझे फिटिंग इतनी अच्छी से समझ में नहीं आई इसकी. But yeah, all in all this is like 5 on 10 for me. But I love the vibe of the dress. This is another beautiful top from Zara. I just love how this fits me. The fabric is satin or I just love the fall of this shirt. Basically this shirt is from Zara and the pants are from Nikki Clothing from Instagram. I just love the material and I just love how these pants just fit perfectly well. The flow of the pant is amazing और ये shirt का ये जो lace and the detailing is really nice. Before buying this shirt you'll have to make sure that you have a proper innerwear for it. Otherwise you'll really struggle to pair this with something really nice. So as this is pink, it would go with white, it can go with navy blue. I just love how this look has turned out. Every girl should have a waistcoat in her wardrobe for sure, and this one I've got from Zara. और इसकी फिटिंग तो देखो, I mean I just love how it fits me. यहाँ से ना इतना it's not very exposure नहीं है और the inner that I'm wearing again is the same inner that I wore for the pink top. So make sure you always have an inner that suits your waistcoat or tops like those. So make sure आपके पास वो inner है before buying waistcoat or tops like those. अगर नहीं है तो make sure that you buy such inners. And I've paired this with this blue pants. Again, these pants are from Nikki Clothing from Instagram that I bought. I took a risk. I don't generally buy too much from Instagram or social media, but इसका material और ये सब check करने के बाद ही I got these pants and this fit me perfectly well.
शॉपिंग कितनी थेरेप्यूटिक होती है गाइस. आई मीन सीरियसली, शॉपिंग करते वक्त जो बॉडी में एंडोर्फिन्स दौड़ते हैं ना, उसकी वजह से जो खुशी मिलती है तो ओह, आई मीन हाँ, बैंक का मैसेज आने के बाद थोड़ा बुरा लगता है, पर ठीक है यार. हम मॉनसून सेल लगने के बाद ही शॉपिंग करते हैं, जब भी कोई सेल लगती है तभी शॉपिंग करते हैं. तो गाइस ज़ारा में सेल लग गई है, जाओ जाके शॉपिंग कर लो. लेकिन हाँ, उससे पहले मेरा ब्लॉग देख के जरूर जाना ताकि आपको समझ में आए कि क्या शॉपिंग करनी है, क्या नहीं करनी है, कौन से कपड़े पे ज्यादा सेल लगी है. आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट व्लॉग. टिल देन टेक केयर, स्टे सेफ एंड कीप वॉचिंग बिहाइंड द सीन्स with me.